Good morning. Time to wake up. Hello, Mr. Sun. Hello, pretty birds. Fold the blanket nice and neat. Clean my room, make it sweet. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush at, pull at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bubbles. Why do we wash up, Mia? To stay healthy and strong, Tom. Hat is on, ready for work. Boots are ready. Let go. Goodbye, Mom. Goodbye, Dad. Yummy breakfast. Yum, yum, yum. Milk makes muscles grow so big. Clean table, happy house. Got my bag. We are ready for the cows. Okay, I'm almost in. Here, take my hand. Wow, we did it! To the dairy farm we go. Blue sky, green grass, lovely day. What color is that cloud? It is white, just like milk. C-O-W spells cow. M-I-L-K spells milk. Milk. I see the barn far away. Hold on tight. Stay safe. Down. Do you hear that sound? Hello, Daisy. How are you? I will sweep the old straw. Sweep, sweep, clean the floor. Look at this big pile. teamwork makes it easy. Oops. I made a mess. It is okay, let us dry it up. All dry now. Why do cows need a clean home? So they don't get sick. Who don't get sick? Scrub the trough, scrub, scrub, scrub. Fresh water for Daisy. Stop. Do not waste water. Grass and hay make good milk. Woo! Yeah! Yeah. We did it! Here is your dinner. Yum, yum, yum. Moo, moo, eat well, grow strong. How many cows are eating? One, two, 3 cows. 3 cows. You are right. You are so soft. Soft baby cow, happy baby cow. Clean hands before milking. Scrub, scrub, no germs. Where does milk come from? From the mommy cow. Whoop. Milk, milk, white and warm, warm. Good girl, Daisy. Cover it up to keep it clean. It is heavy now. Good work done. 1, 2, 3 buckets full. Which one has more? This one is full. I Walk slowly. Do not spill. Heave ho, up we go. Tied tight and safe. Bye-bye, Daisy. Thank you. We are going home with milk. What did we learn today? We cleaned, fed, and milked. And we counted 3 cows. Yes!
We did it! Welcome home, everyone!
Oh, it is so good to see you all.
Fresh milk for dinner! Home, sweet home. Wash hands again. Boots in the corner. Here is the milk. And then I told him, we've got the best cook in the county right here.
Oh, stop it. You're gonna make me blush.
More potatoes, please. These are the best.
No, tomorrow we help again. Yes, drinking milk makes us strong.